Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. On the left is the coat closet. It's a walk-in closet. Very large living room with a dining area. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. It's got a lot of lights during the day. This could be the dining area. Another closet here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Got dishwasher, got microwave, windows in the kitchen, more cabinets, beautiful tile floors. Another closet here. It's 2 bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms here. A large bedroom, give it a king size. Has its own closet here. Walk-in closet. Linen closet. It's the 2nd bedroom, also a large bedroom. It's got 2 windows. The bathroom, all renovated, very clean. Beautiful apartment, very close to the train, ENF train, express train. Union Turnpike Station, very close to grocery shops. Apartment is gonna go very quick. It's a good price. Come reserve it today. You call me or text me anytime. Thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.